Gretchen, Janu Dole. In it's not be bored, Dole. Shani say, no kuni lady. Ma no kuanya, baby.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. No, do for now, no. Yeah. It's a do for man, yeah. Do for man, no. Be. Quick action.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yo, Charlie Radio, so you tasty. It's a meeting for Acosti. Our Ahenkan FM 93.3. Hey, easy.
Seobi, yo wa. Onche usena kubebu fita. Seobi, si opewa. Onche usena kubebu boko. Sa, na odotie. Sa na odoko. Sa, na odotie. Obi, dowa, onche usena kubebu fita. Se obi, si opewa, onche usena kubebu kusa. Na odotie, sa na odoko, sa na odotie, sa na odoko. Show your woman good love. Woman, love your man. Yeah. Show your woman good love. Woman, love your man. Boy. First of all, money who want you in a canoe Gretchen, no. Obi and Sena Jini White. Dear the ho. Miss and what don't mean the money from Jero. It's the day you want fair, we not here, we casa, we need here, we sumba, and answer, we stick up. I don't fit just here to say the way in your body, yeah, we then I'm a be da. Let's say what we come from, man, now I will set it. Another hour, I was spending with your trip. Shenukawa, sending Punani, I eat it. See where I am, maybe I say, yeah, we don't know before, bro. I'm proud when it goes so. Maybe I say, yes, I saw my when it know. Now I'm out so. It's so old on my old on my wa. And you want to walk on me, Mufita. Say, we feel you don't know, say, we don't feel you are. And you want to walk on me, Muboko. Now I don't go, sa. Usena kubebu fita. Seobi, si opewa. Onche usena kubebu boko. Sa, na odotie. Sa na odoko. Sa, na odotie. Sa na odoko.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Woni pa woni se wodi wodonyi na manua eni se wechi me enti so bi
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa. Abozeke. Thank you.
WNNN 1 WNNN 1 Hey, WNNN 1 WNNN 1 Mama make ya Mr. Mama make ya Go Mr. Mama make ya sex after the your makuma want me your time to fit tight Muka pa me teacher is asking a pine one in the Valentine on the frame of breaking us and breaking from my tie 20 minutes mama was fixing me what on my what I want to my how was in your corner to make us reach a woman who be our watcher who was that mission me cost now church your woman me who's what I'm a joke or buy you from what your name so can you new man I just to shame the same to my make up a woman step make me papa nice set stop with your miss from my coma assalamu alaikum salam with your makuma and your kakama and your son fix the ball like with your makuma
And run one, I'm to say yes, you wouldn't clue. Mango when I'm tea, I ran after Kwana, you who said, or bad to say, me, I want to offer you from the John, I'm going to me, who said, Michelle, send me, come on, I send me, and not to make me that, and real make me, and not make me carry, I was not feel it, say, believe it, or I'm a pedal, Munana, me hopo, or sorry, I'm a koto, Makuna Busia for some council, Papa, me, Munana, me, Boma, Pepe, from Malagatanga to Kumasi, Bantu, Mame, Kaka, Tente, Senka, when you buy me pen and get the alcohol, and so, when you buy me pen, it was to me, Nina, me, Bomo, can you move back and find her on one, I'm a panel, on one, I'm a feeling, on one, I'm in the bell, sweetie, bring it in, hey, sweetie, sweeties, and any new, any Kushana, boy, I said it is a shame, wanting to suffer, I'm in cool. Come out, Pammy, my dear, you do not know me, but I know you very well. When it comes to loving you like this, sometimes I cry. Come on, Pammy. Listen, friend, I know I'm a wife. What the ones I was a marriage, you Papa, and so rock, and I'm a feel out of that. I saw Mama, so my fan could be time or club for Lisa Tema.
Joe, Charlie Radio, so I just see Papa and Acosti. That was Ahenkan FM 93.3.
Come on, someone sending mommy and Sati colleague on up. The second wife was a Kumono. Sweetie, Jimmy, we put our pop. You went in and then what I would do for your walk. There was something to hop.
Have a blessed day.
My name is Emido. Oh, dear. 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 Don't tell me what going. Mommy dying now. Mommy did ya in one in Vienna, maybe. Atia Udoya, and no, they come. Atia Udoya, and no, they come. No, Fred, Tio, and Tina Misuya. My neighbor, yes, Emido. Oh, dear. My neighbor, yes, Emido.
Remember, mama to me, best in the back there with your exclusive. Now back to the topic, Joe, and your classic. With the food that baby, when I'm a baby, I get ya, I don't want you to go to me. Me that way, Jimmy D. Me call you Rami shower now, me whoop. Me call you Rami so when I'm a fair one. Me know me no disco, you best as so see. And one get, if you more like you feel, I'm a freezy. The weather don't bring yourself. One, send me your chef, and I dream anything can happen. Say what, say why clef. And I said, yeah, send me your pet, yeah. Me who that could run, I'm a yacht, can say in second. Come on, pretty female and a cat. Now, I know, bien in the lamb. Come on, you will learn.
And I'm seeing a yes, sir.
Have a blessed day.
Me and me uncle pa and my funny hearing. At the young granny as a man, yeah. Kaya, mentie. Hey, if Rakon no bunny and I say, free. Way, many a put up into me, and I mean, Reggie, come upon me, tell me why. Never that. See them Reggie, why? In him near my father, two party no follow one girl. Matty, come upon me, tell me why. Never that. See them Reggie, why? KK, me say I promise so. It's a man in the Michimodoso. When we are my command the court, see, I want to make a josso. Or send me pa, make me a shapo. What to my my friend Coco, Munche for me, patron of my control. Some cast a metro in a paper and so. A put pocket, she be a big Lamakuma, when we came from as a mini cake in the close school. Me senior tsunami, we cool. Me know the book of Shaf Afri be I too. Me take body, your cut the rice and stew. With me, Benjamin, dear chef, I'm a say a brand new from Pro V to shoe. One I get it to be. With me at Nancy and me, I am cool. Wow, too. Down in the shower, time I'm free, uptown, bad downtown, to be bad for me, you don't want some correct town. Meaning I said, I am, you don't want pounds. Mini cross and I'm a connection, I am. With me, I'm a new one, matching my Danny Mumu. KK, see, I'm in my Danny, was your fool. What say me do? I repeat, KK, me take party. Near cost the rice and stew.
You ready? For me, Bonnie, tell me why. I didn't see him ready, why? In him near my father, why? Ready?
The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Shizy, chop one so no money judge. Ice cream and then I'm also on top of Taffrey. Biabre, I'm your man shit. Yes, so you are not Saturday. Into more ferry, me say I want, now me had another percent. Me catch them, mammy was one shut up and was some for to teach. Or boss one quantity richly. When you're about what's a member worry. Now, some of the few on one man and no man of my family and party. About 1 year, something me, so you are me. Oh, when fair, and it should go come your shows of happening. Or do you close when you're Tobiana was in the family? Tonte, I'm wouldn't say who need a party. Come to the war, break, get a big woman. One and only, I saw you on the sweet mother, you was auntie, and I was ready. For me, body, tell me why. There is a French why. The
Mid Morning Show. The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
So it's 36 minutes after 10. I wish you Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Yeah, I bet that's it. That's right. So this is the show I know you were waiting for. And of course, we are seated. We are ready to serve you with good music and lots of excitement. Yeah. Good morning. What I want to say? The more Kwaba at the Ahenkan 93.3 FM. So, the family Kwabena Kosti, I brought upon the perfect gentleman by my government name. A Jenny champion Boateng Cosmos. Right, and I pay a fast like I see and come production team no. And come Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu, Felix Esiedu, DJ Homework, and Kobe K, and not to pan him one side. 36 minutes after 10. I feel I do a video to her. Uti Adwuma. Oh, and that's a station ben Uti I patrol Ahenkan FM. It be an first day with the to her, and now first day I'm putting her. And I would see a radio where I patrol. Where a radio or Biagiatum radio. A cobebia radio. A candy pass my mom radio. A bone umpa. Now to a dream bigu. A cancer pa. Now problems Nina. They are check carpet and I see. Alright, so here was the Thursday edition of Adwuma. And we are on from now to 12 p.m. We are sure so when you pop. And with him say, Yawa de Biano. Your bro will be a friend of counselor's column, right? Yeah. It's an opay. I can't home. And there's a counselor's column. Right, so counselor will join us later on the show. Near Dean Komo. And the topic is very interesting, and I know you wouldn't want to miss this session or this show for any reason. I mean, Chame taxi drivers, Apasco, Brad David, Raouf, MP3, Stagger, Obatampa Jonathan, Tanko, Ricardo, Amos, Obofo Michael, Mabuba Madiana, Mabos Tagadi. Mungina Mabobi Yedi. Gunshots on the play with you. Me part of our message for 50594841044. Mr. Urban Fashion. Atadi Shemi free Mr. Urban Fashion. Or watch my babu heya. And in fear no side. I'm a hawk ram in the modi. And then Chaba. Okay. You're from real Chaba. Or your taxi driver. Who's be chow? Shabo mwere mo frozen. Huh? Frozen, we out in frozen. Adwo to you. I want to Mr. Obin Moon Road Nuzbi. Za. Oh, you frozen. Mr. Obin Moon Road Nuzo. Okay. Salum the Gambia no pay me chow. I send the phone in a new back pay. And I better man quine. Right, you bro motivational message. Get the bro. She doesn't say and then on the counselor's column. You ever share who a womanizer is? Yeah. Who a womanizer is? You see, some men are considered as womanizers because of their level of confidence or how cute they are. You ever share how best we can, get rid of this perception? Because Obi Waholoma, or you're very confident and don't just or humanizer. I've seen people like this, like in Kofo or more some level of confidence, but people see them to be humanizers. Obi Waholoma, very nice guy, very handsome guy, nice looking. He speaks very good. I mean, he dressed neat, and people sees him to be a humanizer. So counselor will join us later on the show. Now who is really a womanizer? Like who should we consider or who should we see as a womanizer? Should it be Obia, the level of confidence? Also Obia, he looks good, yeah, he smells good, and on best ever channel on bonicho salina Obi Waholoma say the fat sort brofo, the fat sort dressy, the fat say obey a massem. As a womanizer, no, you can't brofo do. It's your best say this perception in the frink of between. And I say, you maintain this perception. Say, hey, Brawe or dress a pound. Hey, Brawe, me say, the muzzles. Ultim say, a body, that's an akobiko can, a body, or court gym. Brawe, is he Obi Waholoma dressing keke yesi or your massem? Obi Waholoma send or kasa keke yesi or your massem? Me, I'm a victim. Me a victim pa. Obi Waholoma who says, hey, Brawe, they were dressing on 90 crore obey your massem, papa. Ah, Brawe, they were share the kasa crore your massem. Brawe has no way to teach and a boy now your massem. You move brave. Me there be a kase. You see, me on sometimes with me who guy be wrong. Hey, guy who have it. But and yet there some George and Penny B. There be a yes, Adreno. And yes, Adreno, some George and Penny B. Now, they can't no waffle. And you see, sometimes Ube Humbema, Bema Panguma says, oh, this guy is very nice, like very handsome. I mean, me boy. Even the more man cry, sometimes Utimi wants to stab you and who lady because, hey, lady, no one for pound. Some will come. And also, Caston, I said, yeah, there's some George and Penny B. Now more drink. Actually, I never share. Who is really considered a womanizer? So, and that topic here, that boy move brave, see how they so. Or maybe say me a victim pan. Matibe brave, I just sometimes been blessing me the margin because Abu Heya, Matibua. Saying I cover na question, I by infubia. Obey and I'll be who send yet. It's Abu Heya as well. The last time I will fear FM for a call, I fear orange, fear orange health walk, right? Yes. Semi Kobe. It's minute one lady be shy. And through our conversation, as someone catch me, oh, fear Babu here. You see, Nancy, our name didn't come and say, or say, and no name say me baby, and I say, and one was say me baby. It's ye didn't come on here na. Of your babu here, and no catch him say. Or share me some set of incophobia man who be on wabu ha. Our perception of more woman, a different crowd. Just homework, home. And a lady catch him say, Uncle One Bamia, Uncle Nim say, Namitia. You go on him say, perception of knownness group, no woman say, one, me check me home, two, me castle today. 3 me womanizer. I mean a whole lot of common in here. It's in one bemia. Uncle Nim say na me tie. And I'm catch and say, Unim. Oba abuna say unya time on for Ahenkan FM soro. With the top one never busa say come na cost say busa say who is the most talkative guy here in this company. Why the pick us up? Why the park group and why the press repa? First one never busa. And so who to be soon busa who obi onim abonti I just ask them. I just a wuni me. Maybe I make us. I just a obey and I'll be who said that with it. It's I am Uncle book baby said don't judge a book by its cover or something. Yeah. Obey me and I'll be who said that with it. It's a perception and conform in there. And now wabu hankwa. Me menya mati bebre. So Counselor will join us this morning on the show, later part of the show, and you share. You see, there's this phrase, he's a womanizer. Yes, this phrase that are mostly used for guys who either look good, smells good, speak very good, and I say a more level of confidence near high. They say Shabu say that my family store me mom say Shabu pema. Adanya Shabu Bonyoma say your call program when Shabu Bonyoma now did the new shema me say hey Shabu say I call abontina Bonyoma space. Black ones never hear him. Alright, so send in your messages to 0594841044. Send your messages ahead of time to 0594841044. Why would you know who do you consider a womanizer? So also your bear man I would see me say Nasha also we a victim because send your address, send your casa, send your man who as a womanizer. Share with me your story on 0594841044. And then I'm say maybe a phone line before council no. Maybe your phone line here you tie mema story. Nipa who I'm saying. I don't know who to say nkofo say what the man say do. What the per man say. Is it how you dress, how you talk, how you go about your things? And I said the end nkofo if you say what your man say. I'll open phone line for you to share with me your story, and then you go straight to counselor. No, so I'm echo from the counselor's perspective. So 93.3 FM, 47 minutes after 10, we're still live on the show. Men Kobebia, Calibia's Lord. I give think one's agua. Hey. Okay, so there's this message here. Or see the topic. I think your discussion, right? Or see, my friend saw your pic on my phone and said the same thing, but I told her it's not true or not like that. Hey. So this is a message from my friend. Shall we hear here? Yeah, message will be there for me. And this is from a lady about. Me pacho wada for crown or your man my message the camera. Me person me body yes and go for be who be message in free. I tell them they also can say na down for be who me picture I want the phone so. Na down for say me womanizer. Come on, how would you say that? Why? I no catch down for say me ntisa. No time me can say I just obey me. And this person she knows me very well. I'm tempted to mention your name. But shall me body funny pakroni dimbra. Funny pano the beginning di mami who saw your banner say ma fabra na me shade.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
expensive, but to one. Again, I have to say, you better do your home. Me know by your back, you don't ever your strong. Come in, no shamata. Me, my win, you have a board, if you are now stress. Hey, now, me digging your way, you know, you're killing me. Come me, softly. Anytime I see you, your eyes take me down slowly. I'm party away, and you're totally back down. Let's me, boy. Let's me, boy. Let's me, boy.
I did it, no, follow me, touch me, into me, close to me. Oh, follow me, touch me, into me, close to me. Very sweet, I'm with take it easy, don't be busy like a player.
Me my flavor, I did the debia, with me and I did that.
Give it to me.
Me the my best show, one quarter bed yet, me last coco, so what can you do, man? Swear me what bobo.
Don't lie to me.
Oh baby, one quarter be late.
I'm your sweetheart, baby.
Yeah, my yet better.
That's my man, from my man. No, my man. I did it. Woo!
Softly, anytime I see you, your eyes take me down slowly. I'm party away and you're totally back down. Let's me, boy. Let's me,
I did it, no, follow me, touch me, into me, close to me. Oh, follow me, touch me, into me, close to me. Very sweet, I'm with take it easy, don't be busy like a player.
Me my flavor, I did the debia, with me and I did that.
Give it to me.
Me the my best show, one quarter bed yet, me last coco, so what can you do, man? Swear me what bobo.
Don't lie to me.
Oh baby, one quarter be late.
I'm your sweetheart, baby.
Yeah, my yet better.
That's my man, from my man. No, my man. I did it. Woo!
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so music of Belinda Nana Equiamoa, popularly known as Miss Bell. She calls this one I Did the Day. Now, so woman we are. This one girl be a woman. Ninyumunya I did there near the day. Okay. So cool see there. Cool see the guy. Right, see, I'm daily dose of motivation. See, I'm going to crash ourselves on the pain of faith. You have to watch this here on 93.3 FM. And then, you're going to demand this. And that topic, Charlie, discussion are very nice. Yeah, shall see you, grab at least. Maybe I will call. About your phone message for 0594-841-044 0594-841-044. So also you'll be in Kofu who as humanizer because of how you talk, how good you smell or something. Be sharp messages you pa me now on my phone as well. I just say and as you say that when I'm me Me, I don't know. Every time now say me who be a masre. Me who be a ah dey. Chakido graveza. Alright. Me honjo ba ko gra he. Se woni me nya free a on da nyame ase. Se won ben me a da nyame ase. Me kan bi se won ben me na woni me nya free ni me nkasa da nyankopon ase na hu me twam bia da bia wo da me twam boko na ko. Na me no ye fine on. Na me so feel comfortable around you on. Ebe front keke. There. Unim kobena no. Alright, so Color Studios and Digital and Broadway. I know pay was so ya say your daily dose of motivations. Me pa cho opo bia. I will try pictures. I will why from us yama on pon ho engagement na say opo bia entade papa cho within come upon the good mama. Color Studios and Digital and Broadway and I know pay Mr. So we do an imbeche now for the team akoso neat ne come upon near the yina and I got so many messages no why I mean it getting me confused. Mama the family personal phone is getting me confused. That's my miracle. I beg. The Color Studios are here at the Liberty Transport, the opposite Kingdom of Mercy. 0245-276-638. 0245-276-638. Now, I pay the daily dose of motivations. Only come because I don't pay Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. I don't pay a daily dose of motivations. The paper job. If you mammy, your friend of Mary Annie Red Matcha. Mary Annie Red Matcha. What's it? Coverage. Sorry, I miss him. Yeah, Masha cry. Kale Bobby Tikakra Nasa Mabekasa from with him. I miss him. Yeah, Masha the Yogra, Manu from Bassa. Okay, I'm with you. Every Mary Annie Rad Matcha. See, courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is quiet voice at the end of the day saying I will try tomorrow. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is a quiet voice at the end of the day saying I will try again tomorrow. So this is Mary Annie Rad Matcha speaking. Now, my main call Tribuna Mincha say you from out. Shall we be came at the pines who can be? Yes, what are my the leaders of motivations now? You guys are getting me confused. And now, as some now person training and say, say, Castle Obiwa Kukudra. I cast Obi near the Aya pa. What I say? Say Obi Kukudra, a boano, a money 2 pound, number bremu, a bonnet money conin, a bonnet man and yoma a boano, and my baby and the paint me run over her fine a year. But the chest sometimes I could draw any giddy. Sometimes I could draw any Maya, to me. Nah, but sometimes I could draw a soft voice get one hour to say, okay, and let me try any or Chamas try be. What I say? You won't go for on we I could draw for. We I could draw for. I want to me edgy a dear or mope or to me a yen no more mope. Or try and I, I will say, but sometimes. In as much as walk could do in Tresse, and Naya was so to me a grabby at the force, there be. But a toda could draw a year, sa voice, Ketua be Casaketua be out to say, oh, and then upon my horn, then upon me, nim day upon the Amina meant to me, or China, Massa Tribio. And also your friend I could draw. And the far to say, or try and then I you know. And on Chessa or China or try any me patcho try or China. I could draw now when you did try and Edian. Nasa could draw na fat try or China so. And then pay your crunch as I'm no any. And you see, and now your call breaker by your cover. Messages in there one phone so dear. And also, but we a personal messages. But your cover on. You may be a phone line and post also your bar. na say be our was perception that the man be share with us your story. They ain't na who say or humanizer. Okay, it in case you just tune in, my senses to be in case you just tune in, and then on the counselors column, on the counselors column today, we are going to open a discussion on how people see people or other men to be humanizers. So today on the show, this is what we're going to talk about. And there's this popular phrase: "He's a humanizer." He's a humanizer because Nipano was some level of confidence, and I say, "Maybe I dressing good or looking nice, or I mean, more friend kofobi, and I say, kofobi to be humanizers." I don't know, but and then on counselors column, you bet your opinion. Then Tina who sabra no say or humanizer or pemapa. Aside say you who say or the team man you know me and Sambino. Your friend on tone chain and yet no assembly near can. Of course, obi the team man you know me and Sam. Obi or dating more than one be out or waiting for the humanizer. But again, you can say Nipan who say or yes sir, but one who say what sir. Meaning say me country near. On for one who say or date multiple ladies and I say multiple women. But utrimono what's to say? Yes, what's to say? Son or tear. Adanya or dress it too much. Adanya ni him too much. Adanya what's the or Cambro photo. Adanya what you say? It's no or a humanizer. Adanya or a DJ. Adanya or a DJ. Adanya or a DJ for the omo wukra okay yabasisia kaya ho 93.3 FM yakoba be phone line asan ya ne council din komo yabasisia
Pajo wo de be nnu a ye de yekua wo ni mu pa na mpese oboa me binia me manum se de yekua no wafa to ho so ba ko do abrufu na ba ko so ado beans ne watermelon ade wado abrufu no emua bi wewe na hahan ni ntiama na so ayehye
oba enkasa kura Fasimli siwa Bon Agro Company Limited Ghana hawana wajidi wa agrochemicals mu okofa nrobia baba ko efe na we obi abedo fuo no kai se emwa bi otese esa ya from follow me worms no ebi betimi abem endidi ka kope away edre efe na we no wo display so a follow me worms asem bi o ha fuo no ebi timi siwa fuo mu da so obi ado watermelon na say beans no opedo de be spray so ma asupo so pa ya fa the knockout wo betimi ayusu nre nyina bom betimi ayusu away ni knockout ni nyina na say bura bebuoro wutimi say beans abati beans sa watermelon so baba kese mu wani age say okwani bia peso odoburofuo ana say beans ana watermelon wodi ka kope away ani knockout bi e wo ba bia ya to agrochemicals na niji sem ne say eyema koko ni cashew papa if you say no etimi akate ni ate ana mo bia ya sai cashew ani koko enti koko akuafo cashew akuafo mo amodoburo mo amodo watermelon ni beans Bon Agro Company Wabadomo pa dikape nre nyina bi asan wadofo no so peso bisa semi fasa nre ho a 0243 900 562 0243 900 562
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehuna ma toso fefefe sei
Classic ointment se de sie nam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma kade ba chi ni nwie ye kan fa manfo no won mo ya so mre kopa bie de se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ
ointment ne powerful pa
hwe ingredients ya wode ye Classic ointment no ebi ni aloe vera papaya petroleum jelly cassia alata hunam na ni baabia ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no enu an se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no wo de Classic ointment no bi ebesremu na abehu se yes ointment papa bi wo baabi
me de Classic ointment esiesie me ho ama age me se enye nanso pharmacies chemical ne herbal shops
ane titru wo hene na herbal koforidua frishia baako and sons kumasi edu repash herbal okaishia kra netufo so afre 0544 791 600 ana 0500 799-833
FDA agi ejedi nkrato yato
Baya.
Yes, Kwame.
Me say, I know big man capsules are the man. My boy, Juman Paswama. May you come for me, say.
Big man capsules, no. What do you do 3 points on puzzle?
And ya grow, ya.
Send me catch your big man capsules, dear. A year do pa. A year memma who you may ye titru. And a bema why you mirror one puzzle. Bear man whom come was and in yen ya. Nakai say do pay a ye fine care limited. Omudik bedema garlic mixture. Any big man capsules. A big gaso. Nakai say bedema garlic mixture no ye do po. A drono stroke ya dear. Diabetes, pressure. Obia mo gentleman didn't move for sunny ye. The wire treaty. Near when ya koma ya dear. Near the bushes no. Yen it no. And near was so person a suit here. Bedema garlic mixture no best sunny and when you na man. Bedema garlic mixture. Aye the only mixture. Prakasa wom. Ubenya no yibiato. Our pharmacies, drugstore, any herbal shops in na.
Achim oda ubenya biwo. Oda pharmacy. Nanachumesi drugstore. Kenop pharmacy. Ofaya drugstore. Amorpho drugstore. Walgreen pharmacy. Achim Swedro, Nanachumesi Herbal Shop.
To phone fresh 0248 288 788. With the garlic mixture, any big man capsules, Edu Panunie.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system when Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarua who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarua Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now pa Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esiomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na die fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA binding and call limited. En wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nanse nkwada nyoma eni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me disie.
Mido, me fam fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na ade ba ade na wo de ahohura poto bi de isi.
Eye akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eye JA binding snake repellent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro won sai uhu ana. Ai enu aso na me de wohoro nchase mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA ban wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana commercial bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo pani do so po matu a wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
Me dofo na nso omudin ni body say.
Eye JA binding and call limited.
Ja me drew ho sesia.
Hello. Wofa, Mekot Health College a wo ma me ko yenti. Enne, me ye medicine counter assistant. Many a GE.
Ampo, se wo pese wo ye medicine counter assistant dia. Enne na Mekot Health College ana wo beko. Wo ye medicine counter assistant certificate program. Ye reschooling so ma wani a we MCA. Nanso woni pharmacy council certificate. Na dia ma wonda nso ne se. Pharmacy council Ghana age woni atum. Na ye ma free IT training so eka ho. Admission gusu a ekoso. Ye Enti Ahenkan forms ye were 2 campuses. Aguna Swedro ye were da kwan so. Kaswan so ye were Congo Villa e were New Market Bodiase kwan so. Ubenya forms ni bi e were campus mienu yi nyina. Anase Mekot pharmacy shops ahodoɔ e were Ghana fanan ba bia. Ni ye 2 campuses ni nyina nso e were hostel wɔ hɔ. Enti uni ha ukra. Na se wo pe enrupa nso dia. Ene na ko Mekot pharmacy e hɔ na ubenya nupa. Ghana ene amono ne de. Frɛ 0592 522 111 ana 0244 640975. Mekot Health College, yes say health knowledge is life's wealth.
Ago Odanin important way. Munya so na me won sempe bi de mamo. 2A baby diapers na munim eto de bom mano. Say die yasesa ni din abeye next baby diapers. Na wunim yasa hyemu kena ama ekɔ nanim jie. Esan cotton dodo ade awura nti no. O the next baby diapers ebo wo ba. Ojo so sign to home for. Ensanse bia entingu ne to ho. Won sum fan hawo. Oba ne yeso comfortable. Etuko chroma shanesuo. Cotton next baby diapers. Fabe boba no. Na no ho beto ni say form. Obenya next baby diapers. Ewo be bia. Ope dodo afre 0500285000. Na mo shanesuo. Ema mo bu mo sanso. Ye wo next sanitary pad. Ede mamo. Next baby diapers. Ema mo fra ho so mo. FDA. Afitwa sa edwede nkrato yi mo. Ajia to mu say eje.
I can't watch me fail. So anytime you pray, remember my name, remember you know what travel like. SCDJ Group of Companies, Apa, so Baba Boye, na ye niema bebre. Ye wo, Adwuma Sewa Kitchen, Sebia wo ye event bi, na openuania. Ye abrofodie, sanso na Ghana nuane. Ni nanu ye, enya no nko. Sebia wo ye event, na open nkrofo a ombe plani event no ede ama wo. Ye wo Adwuma Sewa event planning, a ye betena se, na ya ye ho hwehwe kama ede ama wo. Enya no nko. We are printing, photocopy, ICT training, the patcho book bi na waye. Now pese book no, ye cover chire edema wa. Poster bi na pese we. Instant passport. Ni na no ye. Online registration ye bitumi ayama wo. And many more. We your birthday. Now pay photo shoot. And I say engagement. Our dear bibia we bia. A no video ni na edema. Event bia we bia. SCDJ Group of Companies. And ye bitumi ay. Ye sign so our sound system wa. Edidi Jumadie bia. SCDJ Group of Companies. Ye wo abuabu bompaye. Ubetimi afra ye. 0241 298773. Anase 0256587895. SCDJ Group of Companies. Yabamo bia.
Tontonte yenum nsane e fadwen ne e fadwen mpa say na nanum se brebi beba ama tontina 74 upa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nanum dudo so se de na dudo bua ma nanum enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no e mo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hoodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoodin ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby eto nwo bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and 024607349 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Bonnie Winnie Bang, ain't a bonnie factory one. But that man who said, I drink was so young.
kwena meka na nyenda ye podi bia tunchen matuma se esini teche mankwa no do wansem emo binti yansem na wango di nyatem bibiara wo nye bia nchemi na yentem yogi doge sem ye oda friba wonsem eh wa unu se ago ende no yanko to kwa wase say masakra wa bendi meye asem no kwena meka na nyenda ye podi bia tunchen matuma se esini teche mankwa no do wansem emo binti yansem na wango di nyatem bibiara wo nye bia nchemi na yentem
Alright, so Chiame, Kwame, Ofi Chiame, and Yogi Doggy, the late Yogi Doggy. So 18 minutes after 11. I feel near Bashan Komonase. Just about to start the conversation here on 93.3 FM on who is really a womanizer. I said, then come on over there. I am telling you. I am telling you, right? You must have me shabby patrol call pharmacy ko pebitosis here. Be one after why the immune system no. Ebe na ho the immune booster for 0246208496 na 0540101113. No pebitosis here. SCDJ group of companies. Me patrol was you pedwane papa pandi dia Adum Sewa kitchens and oba benya bo edi. Upe event planner papa pa. Adum Sewa event planning. After so oba Adum Arakwa secretariat service. Online registrations in course where I swear flyer designing, bookbinding, photocopying, printing, and what doing now. Oba I swear be amount. A double lens so by no be count for you percent obi twa video e we na say why you front as so I know about na sort open sounds so that programmer Adum Sewa sounds me patch of 0555 052464 0555 052464 na yes sort of standard mineral water insuo krojen insua problem bi enim insua yaji atom FD yaji atom se insuo we na ye insua nipa bia wasa wonyom na woje ho free typhoid ho for 0547334385 and 0245666274 standard mineral water be feel you me patcho pebi no no me boa na pebi nso koton ni ade a we na fa so bebre amaje awache modan bo abon kwantin ponso Red Cross Junction opposite of a green gas filling station typhoid no de bobo to asidama osa syphilis kidney problem gonorrhea diabetes na you to your modern scan machine me patch of physiotherapy papa panso course cornea fefio na also no je wo ho free ya ranking kiti bi ansem frey 0244877840 na 0205045665 Seahorse engine oil me patch your car engine no e be ye vroom and just a sunumu be de come upon the a Seahorse engine oil 15W40 and a 20W50 aboboya and pragiani motorbike ni ade mo so de special 40 wo hwe kusini brandness ni moto na and they omu yusu special 40 tina unze nkofo ni moto no sound ni mo de sa obetimi afreyen e was 0244577559 and 0240800007 0240800007 come takrama adene ya o Seahorse engine oil, quality engine oil for your car and motor engines. Alright, so let's get into the conversation. And then come on, you minim sa utie mi na sa won so nkofo yo ba uhu nkofo bi sa na ho message wa hamba men kan message ma mebo ni panedin o se fe na draw the power free abo Pentecost I draw the power I didn't know test sa message we di mami alright so 0554820910 me pesa me tell story na wo fi se wa ye mana brusu bia nkofo hu nkofo susu sade fa ho se Mr. Ominze ope life pa ababu wa musi otesa sana nkofo kan de ya ope life Minim na nti ankofo be hu obi say oye humanizer adenti. Now mama put the question here. Me pa cho say utiem sisi a me pese me nya story share with us your story. Ebi also your ban so a ma ye hu na nti a hu bra no say obeye humanizer. Even though who say on nipa 2 or 3 air trimp na so no mu date. But why dream no wo hu bibi suban bi won ho a eno nti no ususu say obeye humanizer eno nti no ususu say obeye masem right word no ususu say obeye masem adan a bia na dressing bi the 90 minim 90 a ususu sa me pese wo share with me ne de nti na ususu say nipa no betumi aye masem oyo be man so na say bia won so nkofo etade sa de ne help sa stigma no ye de twa ho hia say hey obeye masem pa say na makan say me no I'm not surprised say minya nyansa messages we say I don't know but omo nyina so for more reason my me pa cho fela for reason bra then tina hu shabu say oye masem o Fernando reason number 0554820911 before we call council and channel my nj also wadwen chere answer 0554820910 0554820910 ebia wa me kan say me cho madam fu bi on oye cool pa very calm gentle guy your friend is success enyoma oye no me ho me nya bi mpoda enyoma success bi ye me nya bi krada so who na whom ya bia wodi ni nya be hye me it's 0554820910 0554820910 and avoda for 0201944485. Hello, good morning. Sorry. 0201944485. Vodafone 0201944485. Vodafone and MTN 0554820910 0554820910. Bepacho also betimi afre na wa share with us o story. Okay, hello. So I did a cool. Then everybody else be a two one. Right, okay, so 93.3 FM. Sorry, your corner for the council didn't come on. I'm on the topic. Now, yeah, share. Send ya make us messages na eba no minimum 90 anko for fee says sanity. Any idea? But Mr. Kra, I have one experience. Yeah. I did see many aside the anko for catcher men aside the meditating. be the bakusi many. So today in Komaya Bediani a stigma be a member bebre. Obi on Montesa, but almost this I did not to so Obi also know what is happening. Only the his app. We are going on the phone line to speak to Councillor. Councillor Koba. Nanko Pando me hoya pan patronam so. Right. Yeah, the Nanko Ponsi. But then come on, a bit way kakra. Your father say, and yes, you become a member no movie, but stigma be honoma. I say, yeah, that Tom member be so. Me wa won tisa. And then you be unze your self phrase, he's a womanizer. And this phrase is mostly used for guys who either look good or, have some level of confidence. And however, you be say, is that what really makes one a womanizer? The level of confidence, how he looks, how he smells. I mean, mommy share me experience. So, Mekai first year at the university, I had this friend, a very good friend of mine, Madame Fopana, Meneno Oyoba, Meneno vibe small, but now only campus of free neighbor like every time. It's yeah. One day, I went to a house somewhere Makati Hills, around Makati Hills. So we went to a house, and maybe ho now on the mommy on my journey we are about dining. I overheard them saying, "Na mama nene can say, Bema say them in people." I mean, he looks so nice, but me peobia, me feel say obeya mawa on chiti, I don't like it. Honestly, I didn't know it was me they were talking about because me the minim say she was just a friend. There's nothing intimacy between us, Minim say me come on omudi. So after ya bibi na onusu okojamino. And all catch me say, this is what my mom said. And I'm saying, yeah, I heard her saying it, but now me say, me myself no okay. What I say, yeah, I was wondering why would a mother or a woman say that to neba? Say, nipa be say, yeah, I don't like him because we heard anyone he's like this. Other intina, yehu nipa bisa. Inti me say ye J from the counselor's perspective. Then tina yehu a member bisa or your TikTok or your muzzled guy, he speaks very good. Nentadi shemu ya kama intino yehu to be a womanizer.
Kwabna bedasi ana no pay ni akwenya kesia odi amame na first of all no mami chia T4 ya Ahenkan T4 ni na nchia kesia sonkoma first lady no pay baby obi a michia no. Yes, Kobna, a very interesting topic. Now, yes, most of these things now I can't watch them. Now, you didn't come with no. We are living with it. And it is a more practical. The Debia Quenya see me there. I am a perspective for a mom who was a Quenya and no muti ni pa. Because Kobna. Okay, a member, no maybe why ya jiatu, and as a main casi ya jiatu. Then a case a ma a natural nagus, and I say yes. And a member be so a jiatu say yes, a natural cheap, and I say we are womanizers. And what is a womanizer? Just will be a service. Although there was some day in day out, and I say yes, good. These are all not good traits, and I say attributes via. I also Bema. Ojetum also. Kwabna open ma. Kwabna open ma. Now, let me put it this way. My chairman common as say, yes. Nyankopon a money passe umedi here, and I say, I want you emna na kwem. The Nyankopon here and say, yes. And until no boy your money may and son or dinipa a cattle. And the afterwards no, and no the oba side cattle. It's the day I can say a man pound and I come down to Sassy
Mitida.
Oh, a man pound no, I am one and pound nipa, Oquan, and the never been grey about him. And one way you could be at Joan Concrete them. It is naturally nipa and pound. It is a nipa and pound, then the opposite is say, I was saying nipa and look good. I will say nipa living. I will say nipa under normal circumstances things should move the way it should be. But yes, sometimes it doesn't go that way. Eti kwabna say under say me whole way say my sorry anopa na matomata de so na ma hye na menam. Yes. Kwabna adem pese tie po hye ne so no mutie ni pa efa ye nuanom emma no ho ene say kwabna emma ehwe ni tua eniwa. Kwabna emma the moment obehu go for the first time, that first impression comes into mind. A part of nipa, but am I a very critical? I was idea. I remember the moment no, remember the the fact that no addresses are no. Sometimes you bet me have an off. You bet me have another chance, another day. Say, oh, let me see another day. Maybe I'll start addressing you. Yes, remember I had no. But Oba, the moment Kwabna, Sebi Asadano, where you tifo for now they are boy are 2 3. One way the very first day will be who no, pick an impression about you. Unless you come back to prove her wrong. That is about Emma. And Kwabna, most of the time, what you tell her for the first time always reigns in her mind. Most of the things that you tell her on the first day, and the Kwabna say, okay, kase will be now okay, you know, Kwabna, what they call can say, now, Kwabna da, no current better, the Kwabna issue.
The view, send our can okay, dear Mr. Mikana, there, Yana.
Some new me and the you want them. Setting up the 2 billion. Then you make me brave, room. That's the 2 billion on the house.
Andrew, and the Miam too.
Good. It is the 2 in a year. Can say, yes, then maybe dressy here. And yes, sir, then maybe your dressy here and a year womanizer. No, it is never. Come now. Under normal circumstances, the lady is looking up to say, at least, more, and I say, a benefit baby say, the 4 quarters of a mouth and tomorrow. Good. But that is not it. It means that me approach you. Being fashion centered, but mentality shemu if I am not presentable, you would have doubt. You have doubts. Say what they let me put it. If you are coming to advertise to me, say mentor a car company, mentor car company. Now ba menche now catch them and say, oh, the car ho. Now background the taxi and the buyer. What impression are you trying to create?
419.
That's the idea. Who talk cars? What you did the whole Ghana, but not even a common single, and I say like a normal saloon KB, just because also brand new. No, you might have to leave some doubts in my mind. So so we are still yes. It's a first day, no, and I say the wood dressing, and I say if you are like a normal, how does the dressing goes about? The way, but you always want to look good. I think I've used the proper word. If you look good on a normal Sunday, come and say you are not managed dressing, normal kaba, and I say that if they are going to church, look at how attractive they are. I am Friday morning. The whole day I trash here. Friday and Saturday, they come down to our nature. I hold you and you bring the trash. So that it's in a media about the young fun. Sorry, because you Friday and Saturday now, they are can be bring them. So that's it. It's what I'm trying to say. They say Friday, you are not came for more Christians or more. Sorry, you are not man. Oh, they are come look at them. Look at how attractive they are. And young Thomas could be. And then, and I say, yes, so saying you are no man, sorry, on Sunday. Look at the way they look attractive. And I catch almost myself.
Maybe.
And I be sorry, means yeah. Okay, the wedding. And then I say the engagement, you know, Muku fee. Are you telling me that and a normal day now will be a connect? But look at how attractive they look. It means okay, I know that doesn't mean say masem and also masem. It means come on, I mean didn't answer. If a guy dresses very well or looks good, some people take advantage of that to go that extent. But come so will be a confidence. Confidence nature there have good and our boldness. The confidence now person said it means that the Obejinebian is able to express himself very well. It is now only the opportunity and I say they never look good. Now was that charisma no. Not that it means and I say why you say you are extending it to make it all the trash here going that it is you. But what I would say is any then be of dressing good and I say look good and now what that confidence level and a womanizer. It is never here or there. The father no share and I know I know basa and I won't penal. Come now, a member here, yes, she or bar, Sebi, was sorry, no pa, a year and to medicine as here, while pushing it open. Come now, tell me. A member here, and I must say, almost sorry, no pardon, or who say, baby, didn't to make animal. I would dinner. I mean, the almost was saying, according to say, oh, sister, make a semi no, and yes, no. It is only when after one castle say, this lady looks good. This lady looks good. And yes, what tradition could be but on a normal day. And I the person in your man is sending so they say, yes, I like to say this before the bet was you come now here. Time the Shia woman. It was because your dressing was good, you look good, you look attractive. And you can compare me the bar with him. And I may be catch you and manage you. Me pese me no tena me pese me no bobra e be sad that na dressing who be and extraordinary dressing but that day you look good because the beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Now afterwards no me no etna ya na ye bobra na say you go so you woman. How do you dress afterwards? You have failed to dress the way you used to. You have failed. When and in the moment you see me also in they be maintaining a standard no. Only say me come on say I am going in for another person. You yourself Oba no what die there now we say me dressing now dressing now normal now you got attracted to me no. They say what die. You look any way and I say anyhow in the house. This is what you are making the men take advantage of. This is like I said, they are not cheaters. Among womanizers. But always men want to be attracted to things and will feel that no, Charlie, this thing looks good. When I'm with this person, I feel comfortable. And the dressing and I say, yes, dressing and make us say, oh, it is because of the dressing no. But they look attractive. Or now look good. And you know, Otumino Dinkomo and our tears, man. Also, bear on also share and the thing you and an dressing who say, very dear. So, or fit and poor, who say, and then the Bob, it is because of the job in Tina, maybe an addressing to say, but afterwards, this is how the life can be. It took us time the whole of Monday to Sunday, we fit any baby, I said it, and why you no. That could be the who now say, as brave, it will not pop that. If you want somebody who will be attractive, only number a map pesadian, don't put it one and the boys here. No, number. They ended up at 1% car. The BI almost a share motor. Yes, you are near Mom Gap, a honey abu. So that's it. And yet, all men or another, you never none of dress here. Or yet, and I say, for your all confidence level now, or your womanizer. No. Debbie and Tessa, it is never here or there. But it is not all men. Just because, yes, as a matter of that is how life is supposed to be. You are supposed to take good care of yourself. And you feel comfortable.
True.
Who are tired you watch now? That day, every now one see the crane show, but you feel comfortable. And then Obana Okopenis Canada de Peno. But only be you feel comfortable. And that me no man person catch and say, Sadam, a chest of you would just say, come on, a mountain and I want a man. No. But the moment you look good, now I would dress you. You're a radio person. Probably you went out to look for an advert. And your banning can't say, now what was the intention? The intention was you were going to look for advert because you are a radio person. So you needed to look good. You are a role model to people. And sometimes some people look at you or your dressing and become a role model to them. It is it is not maybe or dressing and I say or look good or what that confidence level and or they are master. But people look at those people as role models because of share the area why are they attacking or the area what born a shirt or the area the t-shirt then the people pick from it. It is normal. But I don't should be addressing that.
Yeah.
It is not. As you come, do want to tell me that those people when they are coming out of their houses, am I doing that because I want to be a womanizer? Me stop to me Angina Sari. I don't know if what monitor me haircut. Angina Sari almost some nice haircut be. There's a bad booty. Yes. Because I do want to tell me that the fact that our dresses are looking very good in a suit. Now pay privia or call a massam or a massam. Yes, of any Duncan Williams. Also, our boy be the tuna pumpkin. Yes. Because I do want to tell me that and no all look good. A mountain or yes, Anna.
Shabu Senka, Uncle Mammy girl bina. Or they me picture check girl and girl and send me or show me myself.
That is their mind. It is yes. Because about that said, people will be competing for you. I'll be a penny star. But also the special person, and last week you can't watch them. Also the special person there, you also we are very comfortable with that person. So you feel okay. It will never even transcend to that place. But look at the mindset of such people. We all looking good, they also the mass and you to also look good, no sound. Look good. Oba also see we not fair. Now we be a competition level, also for two baby. But they also for two baby. Then you share you about Jack in the field near the idea you can once again. Come now, if you get that opportunity, say sister say worry, then you can worry now come now with that opportunity. Look at the level. Look at how she dresses. Look at how look at how she looks good. Look at the way in your background. Yes. These are people. Do you want to tell me that on also dress here or master? But always the bond will always be there in terms of dressing. Let's say they are highly Debbie. But then you are no man and tears here was hard and no say and you be no dressy or not so dressy and what that confidence level now or then master. There are very few among them. But people look at people as role models. And I'm person they can't watch them. People look at people as role models. Yes, they are watching so. How many people will be yes, unless it is in the negative way. But who society be not now can who pay free abontina over very dear. I mean be in the dressing kind of fem. Because that doesn't mean what the master. No. But look at the way you are inspiring the people around. Look at the way you are getting people to the right level. I just admire this person. I wish I was with this person. It's what the one yastic for himself. But maybe and yet extraordinary at an Caribbean 5 cities. And what tobo, what sin, what tussle, and our bone our number. Or no, it is you have gotten time for yourself. And what I know, man, so you make up now. I don't have any problem because I want them to look good. And if they look good, am I now between your boss? So what your cook program now will say that the obey would say, come now. why would you leave her to go for another person? And then one who I been and as I don't know how to put it, but yes, this is how I want to put it. And you now, then the PR will look good now for dressing you. I just don't track that. Or no, I say or per se. Even before or this Saturday and Krabi room or yes Saturday and that. And yet that will be look good one or your master. Or yet not the end of that. The Yamaka and Ochenepe was it was the first day and as it was the first time. Or yet not the end of that. Yes, you know, media come now question really. I will not side with a man a cassette. Or maybe you look good and all confidence or too many mark cassa, no, and you be a Debbie. Come now, the name Quebec say. It is a new be your confidence level now, near new be a ding come. Do you know the kind of problems and the panel war new ding come? Should I use this opportunity? Set me your confidence level, make me new be a ding come ye. Then you didn't catch a because of that in Tin Quabna may master manner. Is that what young man catch? Menya akukudro say you have a problem. It's not going on in the let me know air share. Now you can't share me me no me. Now at the end of the day, is that what they are trying to tell us? Yeah, the sad no air yeah master. Is that what you no man air catching now? And I say I'm meeting in terms of the dressing, me dressing good now me look attractive, no. Send a bay I buy and I say, oh, as soon as you cry because of this, it mean not share. Now, after the some person catch him and they say because of the new and the massive. No, and I say, Penny Pakuri de Mifena, the real to Casano, which was obey a master power. Derby and Tessa, it is never here or there. But they are bad nuts always among the good nuts. And intimate disputes are there. But, and yet, they are necessary. About 90% of them are not like that. They just about the 10%, and they are taking over the 90%. So any further question there, you can go ahead and ask.
All right. Messages are how about I don't want to read them. Yes, because most of them are directed at me, and I don't know why they keep saying this. I'm beginning to bore. Yeah, I'm beginning to bore. I won't lie you. I'm beginning to bore. In fact, grown to change. And this is the message. Okay, maybe about numbers. Maybe I'm more from now on this step. Mommy, back on number is 0591 744 929. 0591 744 929. Monday step on mommy. Back also there is 059 506 4401. Also, sir, my friend. Monday to mommy. We also there is 0. I know 059 37277. I know 059 059 for the anyone is to move us over there. You find to message bi so ha ono de ono so e kan say e kwan ono fa so e de hu so obi a womanizer ni spray or san ho an ne ho scent I say mema ni bi omo over you see perfumes it no crampo man e say or womanizer. Look at this
kobra enti na waka no se wo pe be man na tena na wona bobra maybe the be ya me kasa I look at the long term I say di da no and the preco. It is a one of them and an abobra. Miss Praise some dear, Abna, a confine in a buy. And you are not ready for relationship. But now you are not ready for relationship. You come you do already, so that's what do wood here. Because would you spray any rawa you more? So we can. Come now, Namabow. Now, Kabana, Ebi Abigare, Mini spray. And I come and go and I will spray you on a miniac crebo. You are not even aware how I even got that spray. Only boys labola moye. Tempa one at Tadena Ohuno. And you say be a man here. But probably there might be some appointments and as a meeting some people. Like the person just want only a candiano, but the person always want to be at that level. And you say be your baby in you. No, that is how probably he has been brought up. Sometimes I mean the animal course I don't know. And I say yes, but sometimes the private schools, you look at their dressing when they are going to school and compare some of these things to. And yes, I'm trying to differentiate between some of these, but they be who the differences. They be who the differences, and this kind of students here making watching, they are always attractive. It makes you tell yourself that sometimes you even wish you could go to and I thought to Bambe Costa school, but that is here. If one from that perspective, yes, a school for you war the cycles and look at the almost war the private schools. I'm fine if maybe I'm not my cassette here, but most of the time you look at these private schools and they look attractive. But now everyone schooling for me, public schools need to be schooling for my person. But how do they behave, or how do they they are always attractive. This is what we are talking about. It is the fact that these schools are looking attractive doesn't mean they are heading towards a wrong direction. But it is because they always want to maintain a standard. It will body now, who say a body with school where they are. This it is sanity. It is a one a band school no I was in the band school now. Send a nyoma na be nyoma. People are out there looking for people who are very attractive. I mean, yes, this example is a perfect. So the other was in the other band school or now. Now I won't say anyway. No, people are also there trying to be at that level. And you be some kumbia, but they are trying to be at that level. One person who do sabiano. And you be some kumbia, but at least they be a cash but at least. And you say, oh, that's now like I said, because they may just say this. And yes, you also have to look good. Now, competition. It is almost always they be our channel. Only that time you put on because you all come on or could do. Come now, I don't know. Maybe I didn't do that. What could have been one who would be sister you want for battle. Me don't want first and my girlfriend want first. Could baby, sign your money be mouth.
Me kinda.
Yes. You see how I didn't hear. You see the kind of person dressing about dressing, not the way she's looking attractive, but you told yourself that no, my girlfriend was first. I didn't know when you see that opportunity. Because when you look at the way your girlfriend also dresses, and as you look how attractive she is, the standard now, no, so they are man. Now share the, you see that maybe I know a difference here. Let me continue what I'm enjoying. That is it. It is only spray say where the baby spray we use to. Now we are for no young guys. I'm going to go once name to me done. I'm going to spray you a pamonton to be a no. So at the end of the day, these are some of the things that open good relationship. And I say if you are looking for somebody to be with, these are some of the things. They are list things. The list I will consider because he's looking attractive or confident. Yes, and you also peg yourself. Found someone to Sabiano. And I make us say, so the want to Sabian and don't just say, and you got to turn Tadia and everybody and just look good. Just see, make up about of Mammy, Rita Anchor. Yes. But a share, at my age, maybe Kako system, but yet, like dress here. Even Sabi, me pants name me brazier at my age, told me the best combination. Look at Obia, what this 56 to 60 years. Look at what she's saying. What is he trying to tell you?
Sorry to cut you. Message be obi sidaba not just any no crowd or no crowd problem crowd bia or see if you want someone to call me and disturb me, let it be a woman. Shadio no testing message by say me or share me womanizer and baby share me near the idea. I know message or about first I'm saying kind no. Now me one number send phone friend disturbing no. Message or about be say me person will be friend disturbing the any ma.
So you see,
problem.
Only problem. No, yes, come on. Where you see the problem is being discussed. A problem as an institution. Or not as a woman. It's problem here in institution. We have to go. Let me compare 3 years and Tanzania so woman. It is such a person on the bad nut among the good nuts near can want them. You want somebody to disturb you. You are all shares of well, that is on the
message me so I was say I'm Richmond from Abu Abu Peace Town. I see Brad Nelson to be a womanizer because of how he responds to ladies during his extended drive. It's different from how he responds to us the gentlemen. Wow, look.
Come I know just about a minute or two.
Okay.
The opposite sex. The moment you are talking to an opposite sex, you probably that accordance, like you show some level of respect. So your bar and then I would be can't no matter who you are, voice no and a tempo no ever from. You receive it, yes. Now come not say a bearman of frewa, even only the dampoa. No level of tonation no crown. Yes, you just don't want the person to see also your bearman. But oh your bar, even Oba no so as a bearman a far corner. The level of tonation no different. A bar from Kaka. It is a brand Nelson. If I walk or no your back, a natural. And you saw your womanizer. No, it happens when Nipa not sending some message. No, Kwabra we are the that for baby a phone. Nama Obani Fresa in the line. Now you read the real very responding. Now you are also friend. I read the real very responding.
Right.
No, it is natural.
Right. Your time. The TBC. I message with them. I can say no one that Nana is always insecure about you. She knows many young ladies would want you. And they are directing mommy. My landlady, she's just not correct. Only not them they different. You know. Cause about your time into the preparation now.
All right, but that's it. You know, my food maybe you know. My catcher, my if you have some finish.
My catcher in the far.
Now, the common the fast in the minimum the catcher. You catch on finish.
I catch you.
All right.
Right, Abusia yada say ye call councillor Edun Boahin Ahenkan no. Your friend Jenny me champion Boatin Cosmos. News at 12 is on the radio. In fact, like I say, come DJ Shabo DJ homework. Kobike na na to pahin so one side. Humo chroma friend Bruce Money football to go nyumo o chabe o nyame gbema jame ikru